Got a minute to learn something new about smartwatches? Just a reminder, we have a whole playlist of these tips which you can reach at this address, and a lot of goodies are waiting for you in a Google Drive at the Smartwatch Resource Center here. Your 1 minute begins now. One of the things you're going to want to do pretty much right after you get your watch or your band is to check to see if there's an OTA waiting. That means over the air, and that is a push of new firmware to your device. Normal devices like these watches and bands tether to an app that you install on your phone, and it's through that app that you can check to see if there's an update and push it to the device. If, however, you have an Android smartwatch, you'll be able to put it on the network Wi-Fi directly and then come in and check for an update. What does an update do? Well, it can change the look and feel, bug fixes, app adjustment, all kinds of stuff. Here's an earlier firmware update. Here's the new one. Now, how do you get there? You go over to your settings, you go in to the very bottom of the Watch About watch, and you check Wireless Update. If there's something waiting for you, it'll say New Version, give you the option to download it, and after that, if you have enough power in it, you can install it. And then you are up to date on your device. And watch faces like this, that has nothing directly to do with firmware, although firmware updates have been known to change the way the clock engines work. These faces, by the way, they come from Alrod, and I got a link in the show notes of this video if you want to go over and explore his collection.